Hi everyone, in this lecture we will talk about basic HTML structure. So we know very well that HTML is a markup language and we need to tell the browser that now you are going to deal with the HTML markup language. So for this purpose, first of all, we will add HTML tag in the start of the document. So just open the HTML tag like this and then close it, and then after the HTML tag you can consider the rest of the structure as your own body. So first of all we have a heading tag, and inside this heading tag we define our page title, metadata, and style sheets and scripts. So only the page title is a visible part while rest of the things are invisible. Style sheets, they are also invisible. Scripts, they are also invisible, and metadata includes description, keywords, and they are invisible as well. And then after this head part we have a body tag or a body part, and inside this body part we define the main body of the website. It includes the headings, paragraphs, images, and everything else. So this is the basic HTML structure. First of all we have the HTML tag, then we have the head tag, and then the body tag. Inside the head tag, we define a page title, metadata, scripts, and style sheets, and in the body tag, we define the main body of our website. So I hope that you have understood this basic HTML structure, and in the next lecture, we will start coding, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.